Today I will demonstrate how I create this drawing, building layers of charcoal, and the supply list will also be listed in the video description below. To begin, I established the form of the horse, and I really like to approach this drawing in a very loose manner. I begin by using powdered charcoal with a makeup brush, and then vine charcoal to establish the face of the horse. I am also using black pan pastel. I really like combining the powdered charcoal and pan pastel. First of all, the vine charcoal is a lighter tone of gray and very erasable. The pan pastel is a deeper tone of black, a much richer black, and also very erasable. So I play with these two different tones and gradations of gray by combining these two mediums. The Pan Pastel applicator you can see I'm using here is really a wonderful tool. You can use it with the powdered charcoal as well as you can use it to blend compressed charcoal. And I really love using it. I am a painter at heart, so using this is a little bit like using a paintbrush. I'm definitely exploring mark making, and I find when I do this in the very early stages, it adds a lot of energy to the finished piece. Using the charcoal pencil, I begin to establish the details. It's like a road map. As I build this drawing with the loose underdrawing, which is kind of similar to an underpainting, then I go back in and start to tighten up the form of the horse. And now I'm blending it using a makeup brush. And I have to tell you, I really do love using makeup brushes. They're very soft and they don't tend to drop bristles. They're just really wonderful to use, and they're very inexpensive as well. And if you have any questions at all about this process, or perhaps the materials I use, please just leave a comment below and I will get right back to you. I'm now blending using a makeup sponge, and they're made of foam and they're very versatile. A great blending tool for sure. The kneaded eraser is very versatile. I really enjoy how you can form it into any shape you need and create the finest of detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you back here really soon. Bye!